Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the image you'll upload. Save a 1280 by 720 pixel JPG or PNG under 2 MB so YouTube accepts it. This ensures proper resolution and 16:9 framing. Once done, make sure text is large and high contrast so viewers can read it on mobile. Also position faces or central elements toward the middle because YouTube may crop edges on some devices. You now upload the video in YouTube Studio. Click Create, then Upload Videos and drag your video file in. Fill the title and description while the upload processes so you don't lose focus. As YouTube generates automatic frames, look for the custom thumbnail button on the right and click it. This lets you pick your prepared image. Choose the file, wait for the thumbnail preview to render, and make sure it aligns with your title. This step links the image to the upload. To finish, open YouTube Studio's content page and select the video, then go to Details and the Thumbnail section. Upload your custom image or replace the existing one, then press Save to apply the change. If you don't see the new thumbnail right away, clear your browser cache and refresh or re-upload the image. Sometimes YouTube needs extra time to propagate. Make sure the image complies with community guidelines. If it's blocked, you'll get a notification explaining why and what to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.